Guys, spawn right here. Some of you guys left there. Hey, behind us!
Letting you know someone's behind us. I don't think this. Keep going, keep going. Stop resisting! Gun! Got a gun. I don't know whose it is.
You got a gun?
No, it's someone else's gun. Hey, we're coaching. We're coaching.
Yeah.
Your gun. Grab your gun. Stop resisting. It's not worth it.
At least now you got to collect these in the snap. It's a lot.
Alright, when you guys are good, there's a prisoner van right at the end of the fence, okay? You guys want to bring him in?
Who's stick?
Go in him? Who's stick?
Not mine. Stand up. Stand up.
Sir, you're going to stand on your own or we're going to have to carry you, sir? I'm going to lift this up so you can breathe, okay? I know you want to. I'm going to hold this over your mouth, okay? Okay? Okay, here. We're going to have to stand you up, sir, okay? Go ahead, guys.
Carry him. Grab his leg.
Here, guys, sit. You guys got him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it. Hope you got him.
Make sure he's good.
It's a lot easier if you just walk, guys. Watch his head, watch his head. Alright, drop him. Drop him.
Roll him over. Keep your guy sitting on his butt. There we go. Sit him up, cross his legs over.
Get up, bro.
Okay. Take your time, guys. Take your time.
1,
Make sure it's over
2,
his face.
3.
Watch the step. Watch the step. Watch the step. Hard easy. Here, let's get him cuffed, guys. Here.
Put him back down.
Here. Nice and easy, guys. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Here, sir. Sit up. Come on. Sit up. Ready? We're lifting him up on his butt, guys. Just sit him up. 1, 2, 3. That's good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Get the hands back, guys. Take your time. Take your time. Make sure the cuffs are tight.
There's a prisoner van right down there.
Okay.
No, right here.
Nice and easy, guys. Nice and easy.
Right here.
It doesn't tight.
No.
I got my gun.
Wait, who's got another set of flex cuffs?
You want me to clap them over?
Who's got another set?
We can put him over
Right
that.
here.
Just keep him up, guys. Doesn't fall back.
You got yours?
That's one. Go.
It's not going to get tight. You got to stand up, otherwise they're going to keep coming loose.
Keep going.
Charlie Henry won. Now, he's one in custody. We're just, he's not cool. He's not,
Otherwise they come right off.
Yo, this cuff's already fucking broke. Just keep walking, I got him.
Charlie 1.
This one? I think so. Pretty sure it's this one. Yeah. These things are trash. No. Who's missing the camera? I am. Oh. Yeah, you have the time too. I got it, bro. I got it. It's your shit's undone. So I'll just. Go. Anyway. Alright, I got you. Go ahead. Keep going, you're good. Keep going sideways. Step, there's a barrier. Put up, there you go. Shackles in any of the band?
I got the wristbands on the other side. Good afternoon, Alpha Mandanegi, Chicago Police, star 13718. My camera's activated, recording audio and video at this time, footage. You're now in our custody. We're going to be transporting you. We're going to have you walk up safely. Watch your step.
The cuffs are broken. Yeah, these.
I got they're in the box here.
What you need, the what's name? What do you
They should be good now. They should be good now, but it's cracked in half, so I doubt it.
It's gonna come unloosed again. You gotta understand that.
Who's the arresting officers for this prisoner? Process. If you guys are arresting officers, then you guys will have to go process this person. It's not considered a mass arrest. You guys understand that? Because one has not been declared. Okay? All right? So we're good with that?
Who's your sergeant assistant? Reagan. You want it?
After they just grabbed my homie
You want it?
off the ground for being in the wrong spot. I'm still shitting my pants. I'm still shitting my pants. Yeah.
So how many?
I shit my pants in there. Wipe my ass down.
Who do you spear?
So what are you guys arresting them for?
You tackle an officer.
Pardon?
You tackle an officer.
So he battered an officer. So you guys are taking him in. You guys are processing that, correct? Yes? Pardon? The TRs? Then you'll have to do all of that inside. This is not considered a mass arrest.
I went after you, right? Yeah.
Okay, so whoever's processing them.
I got my hand.
But we all.
Okay, let's put him in. Let's put him in.
I'm going to have you invite you to walk up this way, right here. We're going to assist you to walk up.
Sorry, hold on for a second. Okay. All right, and